Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with, yes, another unboxing. The box that we have for today's video is our Play by Sephora box. I always want to say Sephora Play box, but it is the Play by Sephora box. For those of you that don't know, this is a monthly subscription. It is $10 a month and you get, I believe, 5 to 6 deluxe size samples along with a little plastic bag and a little bonus item, which is usually a perfume, but this one, I don't know, this box is kind of like a love and hate kind of thing, because sometimes it can be really, really good, and then a lot of the times it can be really, really bad, but I just can't find myself to let it go. So here we have it for another month. So let me just get into it so we can obviously just get to see what we have for this month and we can decide if it was good or not. So let me get in here. And so we have our little baggie along with our little card. Well, not little card. It is a big card. And they always have a little theme. So this one just says press play. And yeah, I don't know what the theme for this one is. So this is what it looks like. And like always, you have your 50-point card that you get down here. They just recently changed that in order for you to use this 50-point card and get 50 additional points with your purchase. You have to spend at least $20. Before they didn't have that minimum purchase thing. You can pretty much just go and buy anything and you were able to use it. But now you have to spend at least $20, which is dumb, but whatever. And then in the back, you get all your product information, any like pro tips and any information that you might need just to start using your products. So let's get into here and get our first one out. And not the first time we have received this. It is from Believe, and this is a True Cream Moisturizing Balm. So it is just a face moisturizer. That's what it looks like. And like I said, we've received this one a lot of times before. It's just your typical white moisturizer in there. And yeah, I mean, these I just usually put aside, and those are just easy to travel with. So let's get our next one, and it is from First Aid Beauty, and this is a Pores Be Gone Matte Primer with Fig Extract, and it is oil-free and it is safe for sensitive skin. So see, now this is something that I can use. So I do have really, really sensitive skin and really oily. So the fact that this is safe for sensitive skin and is oil-free, it is made for me. So I'm excited to try this one out, and it almost seems like, oh no, it's just white. It almost seemed like through the bottle, it might have like a pink tint, but no, it's just white. So I'm actually excited to try this one out. So let's see, what else do we have here? So we have a mascara from Lancome, and it is the Mansour Big. I have given this one a try, and this one works for my eyelashes when I have a first coat of a different mascara that I normally use. And when I put this one on top, yes, it gives me a lot of volume. It gives me length. They look really nice and dark. That's the one there. It's a pretty big wand for a very tiny mascara tube. But I don't like to use this one alone, because it does nothing for my eyelashes. So if I use this as a second coat on top of the one that I normally use, yes, I love it. But just on its own, not really. So next here we have, again, something that is not the first time that we have received. It is from Benefit. It's the Give Me Brow. This is the Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. And I've actually used this one before, and I really, really like it. It does have a lot of color to it. You have a little tiny wand. It does give your eyebrows a lot of color, and it really does help give you like a dense look on your eyebrows. So I really, really like this one. So far we have received things that I have used before. So let's see, maybe we have something in here that I don't know. Nope. We have, again, another thing from Briogeo, and it is the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. So This one we have received like 100 times in our subscription boxes. But like I always say, this always comes in handy. I always use it under the products that I put on my hair. So it does come in handy, but I would like to receive different things, every so often. So this is actually a very, very good product. So I'm not that mad that I got it again. That just means I don't have to go in and buy it. So I think we are down to our last product. Yes, we have our little empty bag now. This month is blue. This has been our makeup bag for like, I don't know how long now. They used to have a little bit prettier bags, but lately we have been getting these in just different colors. So the last item that is in here, it is a perfume, like I mentioned, from Victor and Rolf. And it looks like this is a new one. It says magic here, and then it says sage spell. So I don't think I've smelled this one before. So let me see. No, I don't think this one's for me. It's too like spicy. Too much of a spice note in there that I'm not a fan of. Maybe once it starts trying out a little bit more. I don't know. I don't know if I like this one. When you first spray it, there is a lot of spice scent in there that I do not like. But after it airs out, it kind of goes away a little bit, and it actually smells pretty good. But I still get that spice in there. So maybe with time, once it starts dying down a little bit, maybe I'll like it a little bit more. So those were all of the products for our play box for the month of September. Not very happy. Like I mentioned, this is kind of like a love and hate kind of thing. When it's good, it's really good. And when it's not good, it's really bad. So like I mentioned, we got a lot of things that we normally get in all the other boxes. Nothing new, nothing interesting. The only thing that was different was this matte pore primer. That actually sounds pretty good, but other than that, everything else I've received before and I have used before, so there's nothing new. Let me know what you guys think. I know there's different variations to this box, so maybe you got something different that I would have preferred. Let me know down in the comments below, and remember, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. It would mean so much to me, being that this is my baby. It's a brand new channel. I started not too long ago. So if you guys like to see more videos from, unboxings, and maybe I'll try to get into other things, please go ahead and subscribe, and I will keep posting for you. That is all for me for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.